Whoa, what? Hey, hi guys, today find big animal in the forest with me. Okay, big animal in the Asia. Why it's not Amazon forest, right? It's like Amazon forest. Okay, so now we can find this big animal here, and we will check it out from the small forest go to big forest, right? Oh, what is it? Why? Hey, you, what are you doing? Okay, oh, small tree, right? Go to big forest and like Amazon forest. Okay, I will take you go to live in the Amazon forest with me. Why, Charles? One more. Okay, I will go with you. Why? And find it in the small forest. And okay, Walrus. Hey, Walrus, what are you doing, Walrus? Okay, take it out. Okay, go to live in the Amazon forest. I will take you there. Okay, let's go. Oh, what? Okay. What are you doing? Okay. Go to the Amazon. Oh, I have a lot of. Why? It have a lot of already. Okay. Oh, have it. Why? Oh, wow. What is it? Have it, guys. Okay, check out. Nice. Okay, have one more. I will take you through the Amazon forest. It's here. Okay, one more guy. Oh, it is very funny guy, and I will take it to live in this Amazon forest. Right. Oh, what happened with the walrus? Okay, it is very strange. Why? And why? Oh, say walrus. Oh my God. Okay, check it, choose the why. Go find more animal. Why? What? Hey, excavator, what are you doing? Okay, so what is it? What is it doing? Okay. Wow. Okay. Take it in the Amazon. Guess guys, what is this egg? Why? What is the egg? Guess guys. Why? And don't forget subscribe to my channel. I will go in to show you some more video in my channel, and it is a lot of video, right? Okay, thank you very much for watching my video, and don't forget subscribe to my channel.